Hi, I'm Charlotte Beeston. I work in Kronospan as an electrician and I used to be an apprentice. I decided to do an engineering apprenticeship because I was doing my A-levels and I didn't enjoy my A-levels. And I knew people doing apprenticeships already, so I went to an open day and applied. Day to day, I assist with maintenance on lines and also assist on breakdowns. I recently won the National Award for Student Excellence from IET. I was put forward by my tutors in college for my HNC. It's really good because it looks good for my CV and also good for Kronospan. I went into my apprenticeship not knowing anything about engineering or electrical engineering, and through my apprenticeship I've learned lots of aspects such as programming, electrical circuit theory, testing, electrical testing. I really enjoyed learning, and every day everything's different, so it's quite nice really. Just everything being different all the time, learning new things every day, and even as an electrician I'm still learning out of my apprenticeship too. I think apprenticeships are a really good thing because you earn while you learn, and it sets you up for the future to grow into more senior roles. You get to learn from people with years of experience in industry, with real life experience, which sets you up for succeeding in the future. My advice for anyone who wants to be an apprentice is to explore your options, go to open days and go for it.